Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go Guitar and to Wish Week. And this is actually the ending of the Wish Week. This period where we highlighted wish songs from you guys. And yeah, this one will be the last one of this week. But we will, of course, continue with Wish Wednesdays. And in the future, perhaps bump it up again soon, or sometimes maybe do it as a regular 2 or 3 every Wednesday. We'll see how I do about that. But anyway, this will be the last one for now. And this weeks we had, so this means you wish for songs and I bring them up for you. And this time we have you, Seper KR. You've been with us before. You wish for Lost Frequencies, Lift Me Up. All right, so this one is specially for you and all the Lost Frequencies fans. Let's take a look at this sweet song with the capo set here on the 5th fret. All right, so we have a couple of melodies going on there and then a basic strumming pattern. That's what's going on. And we have these 4 chords that is they are the base of everything. So we're gonna look at the chords first with the capo set here on the 5th fret. So let's take a look at A minor first. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the F major 7, and that is 3rd on D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E, and then the G, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so these 4 chords are the base of everything and they go in this order through the entire song. So we're gonna look at the melodies first and then end with the strumming. So we have this main melody that goes easy. Actually, you just have to work the speed up. So we're gonna go chord by chord. A minor, you hold the chord as it is and you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B. You play that for 4 rounds. Just a tad faster than that. All right, over to the next chord, F major. You hold that chord as it is as well, and you're gonna play for 4 rounds. And that is 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Very easy. 4 rounds. Then over to next chord, which is a C. That pattern for 4 rounds. And that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B. All right. And the G-based pattern, it's enough if you just hold like this, 2nd on A string and 3rd on B, and you're gonna play that pattern for 4 rounds, and that is 2nd on A, open D, open G, and 3rd B. And that is the end of the pattern, which is the main part of this song, or the verse, or whatever you're gonna call it. A big part of this is this pattern. So all right, then we have the chorus or the drop, or whatever we're gonna call it. It will be based upon the same chord progression again. So we're gonna go chord by chord and starting here with A minor. This part goes for 2 rounds. So you're gonna play open A string together with 5th high E, then 3rd E, then open E, then 1st B, then open E, then 3rd B, and 1st B. You play that for 2 rounds, so. Okay, then the F-based part goes for 2 rounds. Now you play the third D string together with fifth high E, then third E, then open E, then 2 times on first B, then open B, and second G for 2 rounds. So then comes the C part. Okay, so that is 3rd fret on A string together with first E, the high E string, then open E, then first B, then 3rd E, and open E. Short pause there, and then comes the 3rd A string, then 2 times on the 3rd fret E, and open E. Okay, so the C part was and then you land on the final chord, the G, and it goes like this. So that is 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with open B. And then a big pause again. Then open B to first B, and then 2nd G to open G. And that ends the melody. So slowly everything goes like this. So there you have the second melodies used during the chorus or the drop. Okay, then we have everything played with a strumming pattern. It works throughout the song, so we're going to look at that finally. So it's of course the same chord progression, A minor, F, C, and G. We're going to start with A minor and learn the strumming pattern, which is very simple. It will be down, down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down. Couple of rounds of it sounds. I played 4 rounds for you now, and that is what you're gonna do as well. You're gonna play 4 strumming rounds per chord. You can play that actually from the beginning till the very end and just leave every melody out of this song. So it goes like this. Yeah, some bad freestyling there in the end. Very, yeah, just came to me like that. Improvisation. Anyway, this is how you handle lost frequencies. Lift me up. It was a pleasure to do this, and thank you, Sepper KR. I'm not sure if that is really your name. That's what I see. Anyway, thank you for interacting with me here. And like I said in the beginning, this is the end of the Wish Week era. All right, we had this for about 2 weeks now. So continue Wish on Gordon Guitar, and we will try to bump it up a little bit more than just one every Wednesday, which is the regular thing right now, Wish Wednesday. So yeah, big chance it's your song. So thank you for all the support, guys. Hope to see you soon, and until next time, play tuned.